For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using low-quality cameras that can't even deliver decent images? Maybe you've tried smartphones but found their camera capabilities lacking. Or perhaps you're a seasoned photographer looking for a compact and portable option. But here's what surprised me when I started researching the Canon PowerShot V10. It seems to tick all the right boxes, but there are some caveats. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new camera, let's take a closer look at this one. Revealed as a compact point-and-shoot digital camera, the Canon PowerShot V10 is equipped with a 12-megapixel high-sensitivity CMOS sensor and a DIGIC image processor, allowing for detailed and clear images in various lighting conditions. Therefore, this seems like an excellent starting point, but we need to dig deeper. Let's talk about some of its key features. ISO range from 100 to 6400, full HD video recording at 30p, and a 7x optical zoom with 28mm wide-angle lens. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? We've got to consider the ergonomics too, with dimensions of 96x56x21, and weighing just 165 grams. This camera is incredibly portable, making it perfect for travel or everyday carry. But here's what I want to emphasize. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying this is a bad product. In fact, the Canon PowerShot V10 has garnered quite a bit of attention online, with reviewers praising its image quality and ease of use. However, we also have some concerns regarding battery life. It seems that users may experience issues with power consumption, especially when using Wi-Fi or GPS features. Therefore, let's dive into what makes this camera tick. For one, it boasts an impressive ISO range, which allows for excellent low-light performance and minimizes noise. Furthermore, its DIGIC image processor is designed to optimize image quality and speed up processing times. Revealing another key aspect, the Canon PowerShot V10 also comes equipped with a 3-inch LCD screen, perfect for framing shots or reviewing images on the go. But let's not overlook some of its limitations. One reviewer noted that while it captures excellent photos in good lighting conditions, its performance in low light is somewhat lacking. Therefore, I want to highlight an important point. Despite these concerns, many users still appreciate this camera's portability and user-friendliness, making it perfect for casual photographers or those who just need a reliable companion for their travels. Revealing another pro. The Canon PowerShot V10 features a 32 GB internal memory, allowing you to store plenty of images without needing an additional memory card. However, it's worth noting that users might find some issues with connectivity, specifically Wi-Fi and GPS performance can be inconsistent at times. Therefore, if you're still interested in purchasing this camera, I urge you to carefully consider your needs and weigh the pros against the cons. Let me leave you with one final thought. While the Canon PowerShot V10 is an excellent option for casual photographers or travel enthusiasts, it might not be the best choice for more serious photographers looking for advanced features. However, with its impressive image quality, compact design, and ease of use, I believe this camera is certainly worth considering. For those interested in purchasing the Canon PowerShot V10, make sure to check out the link in the description below for the best price.